Hey everybody, Troy here, and in this short video, I'm just going to be covering an update regarding the Simple Commissions Mailbot program. Please be sure to watch this video through to the end because what I'm going to suggest is going to help you make a decision. If what I share with you makes sense, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And there's one question that I recommend highly that you ask yourselves before you make a decision to join Simple Commissions and use the Mailbot product. Now, first thing, if this is your first time hearing about Mailbot, this AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers, automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts, all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. Now, there is a quick 3-minute video that's attached to this. You definitely are going to want to watch that. And you're going to be able to get a free demo of Mailbot to see how this works. And I'm going to share with you how you can get that information in just the next minute or two. But here's a question that I want you to ask yourself. Would you, and I'm assuming that you already have a business or that you're looking for a business, would you use Mailbot and the Simple Commissions business model? Would you use this if there were no affiliate commissions attached? Now, depending on your answer, and most people I think are going to have the same answer, look, people that have home businesses, 93% of them do not make a full-time, even a significant income, and that's globally. So what Mailbot actually does is it handles all of the things that most people don't like doing regarding their business. And using this AI email assistant, not only when people join under you does it pay you $100 over and over and over again, but it's creating the content to send out to your list, your leads, your subscribers, informing them of the programs it is that you're promoting. So you don't have to any longer spend 20 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day trying to craft the perfect email. And trust me when I say I put this thing to the test when I first got my hands on it before I started promoting it. And every single question that I asked Mailbot of my sponsor, within 45 seconds, every one of those questions was answered. And guess what? The answers were inside of my inbox. They were not in my junk or spam folder. And that is a big deal when you are promoting a biz op. So I get asked once in a while, oh man, does this thing really work? Can you really get paid from it? Mailbot and Simple Commissions, this is a brand new program. This thing, I believe, launched about a month ago. So most people have no idea that this even exists. But to answer the question, can you get paid from this, right? I mean, I've gotten multiple payments from this. If you've been following me, you know, I don't always talk about the commissions, but this was a $100 commission that came in. This came in directly to my Stripe account. You could see the date, right? This came in today, and it was for $100, right? So this thing does work. It does pay you. The other thing that I want to point out, an income disclaimer, you know, there are no guarantees that you're going to succeed at this. My only suggestion is if you really want to get excellent results, the income that you earn is going to be based on your own personal efforts, and that's what I want you to focus on most. The other question that comes up sometimes, occasionally, people want to know, hey, you know, does this thing really promote up to 3 different businesses? And the answer is yes, but I don't want you to take my word for it. When I asked Mailbot when I first joined a few weeks ago, it responded quickly, and all of these responses hit my inbox fast. Hi, Troy. Great question. Yes, Mailbot is designed to help streamline your affiliate marketing efforts. It will automatically send out emails to your subscribers for up to 3 of your added business opportunities. This means you could sit back and let Mailbot do the heavy lifting, ensuring your potential leads stay informed and engage with minimal effort on your part. Now, that's bottom line the answer to your question. So look, I don't knock people that are promoting their deals, right? I get people promoting health and wellness programs all the time, insurance deals, save money and with my travel service. But at the end of the day, every last one of those people would love to get more traffic, would love to get more leads, and would love to have an automated system that pays them $100 over and over and over again effortlessly while promoting their current programs. Think about what I just said. So maybe you haven't made a sale in a month, 2 months, 6 months, who knows, right? What if you could start hitting those numbers and making sales multiple times a week on top of getting paid unlimited $100 over and over and over again? So if you want to get a free demo, you want to see how this works, go to my YouTube description under this video. Go to my description and get a free demo. Thanks so much for watching. If you got some value, like, comment, subscribe. Once again, I'm Troy, and I really look forward to working with many of you. Take care. Peace.